Ever had an idea you just had to turn into a video, but didn't have the time or skills to make it happen? What if I told you that with just a sentence, you could instantly create high-quality videos? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's Sora Turbo. Back when OpenAI first introduced Sora, it already revolutionized the way we thought about creating videos from text. But now in December 2024, they've taken it to the next level with Sora Turbo, an even faster, more powerful text-to-video AI model. If you've ever struggled with the time-consuming process of video editing or wished for a smoother, more efficient tool to bring your ideas to life, Sora Turbo is here to make that dream a reality. Remember the struggle of spending hours editing clips, adjusting scenes, and still feeling like something was missing? For creators, perfection often came at the cost of time and effort. But what if all that work could be simplified? What if you could condense hours of effort into just seconds? OpenAI's Sora Turbo makes that possible. With access through a ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscription, users can create stunning 1080p videos up to 20 seconds long in mere moments. Take, for example, the Echoes of Grace video. By using detailed text prompts that specify camera angles, lighting, and composition, Sora Turbo brings together graceful and emotionally evocative visuals. This video was generated effortlessly, demonstrating how quickly the tool can turn ideas into beautiful, cohesive narratives. But that's just the beginning. Now we dive into the powerful features that make Sora Turbo truly stand out. Let's break down the revolutionary features of Sora Turbo in detail. Sora Turbo sets a new standard in video creation by enabling users to generate 1080p high-resolution videos up to 20 seconds long. This is ideal for all types of content, whether it's a social media reel, a product advertisement, or a creative project. The process is incredibly straightforward. Simply type a text prompt or upload an image, and Sora Turbo transforms it into a visually stunning video. Unlike traditional video creation tools that demand hours of effort and technical expertise, Sora Turbo delivers professional-grade results in a fraction of the time, eliminating the need for extensive post-production work. For creators who like to plan and organize their work, the Storyboard tool offers unparalleled flexibility. This feature allows you to arrange and structure video sequences on a timeline interface, ensuring your content flows seamlessly from one scene to the next. It gives you precise control over the narrative, letting you adjust the pacing, transitions, and overall structure of your video. With Sora Turbo's Storyboard tool, you gain the creative power of a director without requiring the infrastructure or costs associated with traditional film production. The Remix and Blend features elevate creative possibilities. These tools enable you to reimagine existing videos by changing the setting, replacing characters, or even altering the mood of a scene. You can seamlessly blend multiple clips together to create a cohesive, polished, final product. Whether it's adapting a single video for different platforms or experimenting with new ideas, the Remix and Blend features provide the flexibility to customize content according to your vision. These innovations make it possible to transform raw footage into a masterpiece, no matter your level of experience. Perfecting loops and isolating standout moments has never been easier. With Sora Turbo's looping and recutting tools, you can highlight key sections of your content, ensuring every frame has maximum impact. Whether you're extending an emotional scene or creating a flawless loop for social media, these tools let you fine-tune your videos with pinpoint accuracy. The ability to isolate and extend specific frames gives you the freedom to craft content that resonates with your audience, making every second count. One of the standout features of Sora Turbo is its AI-driven animation capabilities. Static images can be transformed into dynamic video sequences, offering an entirely new way to present ideas, memories, or concepts. Whether it's bringing a still photograph to life or creating an animated scene from scratch, this feature empowers users to explore new creative dimensions. The result is content that feels alive and engaging, perfect for personal projects or professional campaigns. One of Sora Turbo's standout features is its speed. Traditional video creation tools can take hours or even days to render high-quality videos. Sora Turbo changes the narrative by drastically cutting down production time. During its demos, it generated 4 10-second videos in just 72 seconds. That's an impressive leap forward in efficiency. Think of it as the difference between traveling by bike and driving a race car. While both get you to your destination, Sora Turbo's speed transforms the creative process, allowing creators to iterate and refine their ideas without being bogged down by long waiting times. This rapid performance is especially beneficial for content creators juggling tight schedules or professionals managing large-scale projects. By removing time constraints, Sora Turbo empowers users to experiment more, produce faster, and ultimately enhance their productivity. Whether you're creating videos for social media, marketing campaigns, or personal projects, this level of speed revolutionizes what's possible in video creation. Sora Turbo isn't just packed with advanced features. It's built to be incredibly user-friendly. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced creators. You don't need to be an expert in video editing to make the most of its tools. The platform simplifies tasks like storyboarding, remixing, and customizing. The Storyboard tool lets you easily organize video sequences, while customization options like aspect ratios and visual styles help tailor your content for platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Sora Turbo is globally accessible and optimized for various devices, so you don't need high-end hardware to produce professional quality videos. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, the tool adapts to your needs. By making video creation easier and more accessible, Sora Turbo opens up possibilities for a wider range of creators, ensuring that creativity isn't limited by technical skills or resources. Sora Turbo isn't just a speed upgrade. It brings a new dimension to video creation that the original Sora couldn't match. The most obvious difference is the level of refinement in its capabilities. With Turbo, it's not just about faster videos or better quality, it's about giving creators more control and flexibility. The original Sora offered a solid foundation for video generation, but the output was more basic. It could create videos from text prompts, but the resolution was limited, and editing options were fairly basic. Sora Turbo takes that to the next level by allowing you to directly manipulate video content, whether it's adjusting video length, aspect ratios, or re-editing scenes. It's a more dynamic platform for creative expression. Another major difference is the AI-driven innovation in Turbo. While Sora was good at generating content, Sora Turbo has gone a step further by adding features like AI animation, allowing you to take static images and bring them to life with movement. Plus, remixing isn't just about switching out backgrounds. It lets you manipulate entire scenes, characters, and sequences to create entirely new video content from existing footage. With Sora Turbo, you're also tapping into a more community-focused experience. Thanks to the new Explore feed, where you can share and remix content easily. This shift from simply generating videos to fostering a community-driven creative environment makes Sora Turbo feel like a collaborative tool, unlike the solo focus of the original Sora. This approach gives Sora Turbo a unique edge, positioning it not just as an evolution in speed and resolution, but as a tool for true creative freedom. Video creation isn't just a solo journey anymore. With Sora Turbo's Explore feed, you can share your videos, remix others' work, and collaborate with creators worldwide. It's like joining a global creative community where ideas flow freely and new creations are sparked by collaboration. The Explore feed is a dynamic space where you can not only showcase your work, but also draw inspiration and learn from others. Whether you're remixing content, exploring fresh ideas, or gaining new perspectives, this feature helps foster a deeper connection between creators and their audiences. By turning Sora Turbo into a platform for creative exchange, the Explore feed transforms video creation into a collaborative experience. It's not just about making videos, it's about being part of an ever-evolving creative ecosystem where everyone can contribute, innovate, and grow together. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, the Explore feed provides a unique space to discover new trends, refine your skills, and connect with others in meaningful ways. And there you have it. Sora Turbo is more than just a video tool. It's a game changer in AI-powered video creation. With the ability to generate stunning videos in seconds and endless customization options, It's designed to empower creators at all levels. But here's the catch. While features like the Storyboard tool and advanced editing are impressive, many users feel the platform still lacks the finesse needed for professional-grade content. It's got all the potential, but right now, it's not quite there yet compared to its more polished competitors. So what's your take on Sora Turbo? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more tech insights.